The knock sensor system we are using here in GSC is from a company called Formula. It is handheld unit, and we use model KS4. It has input here, and I think you have a manual about it. Here is the control. It's just a knob. It's very simple, effective system, and I recommend to use KS4. It has an output 0 to 5 volts that GC1000 can use as an alarm and react to that. Here I have a Boss knocking sensor. It's very popular, low price, and very effective, and most engine manufacturers use it, so we chose that route. I'm gonna show you how I install it and use this system. Here I'm on the engine, and I want to install knocking sensor on the engine. I look for a place to put it on, and in this case we have it here on the head. Some engines have also in the block, so you can choose that. I have a stud here. I screw in here, screw it all the way in. Now we're gonna place the sensor here, and I use a wing nut because this is just a demonstration, and there the sensor is. It's gonna measure the vibration of the head or the knocking. You can have it on the block if there's a space for it. I'm sure there's another, but I put it here. But you can put it wherever you think it's best fit. I have a plug here where I plug to the sensor, and now it's ready on this side. Here we have a multimeters like before. On the left hand we have the amperage of the actuator, and on the right hand we have the voltage, and you can see we have a Formula KS4 there. When we put the power on it, it will come up like this, and we will go over the menu, but you have the manual, so we use the knob here on the right hand, and we go over the menu. I have it 6 kilohertz, and I have a gain 8. Alert is 80. I put it very high now because I'm gonna plot the engine, what it is gonna do with the sensor where I put it a moment ago. And system second, you have the manual, so you can read the manual of these settings, and then I push in, or like that. Now I'm gonna start up the engine, and we're gonna see the knock on the engine, how high it will go on this frequency and vibration. You can see the max number, it's the highest it goes in crank up. I'm gonna put a load on the engine and see where the max is. So it's max knocking 45. Now we're gonna adjust it to 48 or so. I can reset it here, but alert, that's 80. Reset 45. We drop it down to, let's say, 50, and it's supposed to give me alert if it goes there. And I'm gonna make the engine off. The limit is 50, and it will give you alarm if it goes above that. If you read the manual that comes with this unit, you see there's a 0 to 5 volt output, and we hook that to pin 28 on the GC1000. And if this alarm goes on, the GC1000 will shut off the gas and give you diagnostic indicator that something is wrong. Here we have a GC1000 after the knocking, and you can see there's a yellow light there that will give you indication. Okay, it did shut off for some reason. Here we have a GC1000 interface, and like you saw, it went to knocking alarm. So we can look at what this unit, when it's indicating that, you go to diagnostic, and we will see what it had logged. We see here G9050 knock sensor alarm. So it will indicate there also it has alarm on it, and that's why it started to shut down.